Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you the tool we're able to auto comment or thread so that you can increase the engagement of any post that you want. So to auto comment or thread, so first you need to be write content. So I go to content management to add a content. So after having a content in here, I will go to thread function. So in here you can choose many options about thread, like about portrait, thread comment, thread interaction, thread sealing, it means auto like, auto comment on threads, or change thread information, or interact history thread. Okay, so I will choose thread comment option. So first I will select the account that I want to go to comment first. After that, I will set up the basic configuration. So first is a breakable time within duration. I will set up from 10 to 20 seconds. And next, I will select content. This content I already add in the content management, so I just need to choose it. And because I just choose one content, and I will need to allow duplicate content between action and an account. Okay, so next you can choose comment by the according profile, or you can comment by the article link, or you can comment by keyword. So I will choose by the link, and I will enter the link of the post that I want to comment in here and reset. Okay, so next you can set the number of posts each account will comment to, and you can choose many options like about do not allow to get comment, or how to delete the idea of the comment successful, or you can choose share comment, repost after comment, or lightweight commenting, or display review content link. Okay, so after everything's set up, I will restart and let the software do work. Okay, so here you can see in the tool the action is running and the result in the system diary. Okay, after notification that is comment successful, I will go back to my account management and open my account that had the post to check it. Okay, so you can see this my post that have many comments that I use my account to do it. Okay, so basically I just show you the tool we have to auto comment on threads so that you can increase the engagement of any post that you want. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you can contact me on my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation software.